How to repost an Instagram post. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily repost an Instagram post. So first thing, simply head over to your Instagram application, and let's say if I want to repost this, you can simply repost it as an story by simply clicking on the post and sharing it on your story. But if you want to repost this post as an official post, then you might get the option. Simply click on this share button and you might get the option called post to other apps on your device's preference. So as you can see, it's not showing on my device because I'm using an Android. It might show you on your iPhone if you are using iPhone. So if it doesn't show you, the only way you can repost your post, that particular post, is simply by taking the screenshots of that particular post, just like this. And once you take a screenshot, make sure to crop and do everything, adjust your photo, and just click on this plus icon over here, just like this, and simply select that particular photo and adjust your according to your choice. And you can also put out a music and just like that, and simply select next, and just make sure to give credit to the original person. And just like that, you can repost your post as an official post on your Instagram. So this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.